Hey, and welcome to my channel. Now today I'm going to teach you two simple ways on how you can get more YouTube video ideas. You see, sometimes it's really difficult to come up with ideas, keywords that you can use to actually get traffic on YouTube. Now, what's really important to understand is when you have a new channel on YouTube, when you're just starting out, let's just say when you're under 10,000 subscribers, you need to be making content that people are actually searching for. And so an example of that is if I made a video that said, "This is my story," right? Could be a great video, really good, could have great production, be really useful for people. But the fact that it says "this is my story," if I have no subscribers or very few subscribers at that point, people aren't actually going to be searching for that. So what I need to do to start out is make content that people are looking for. What are their problems? What do they type into YouTube in order to find answers? That's the content that I need to make first. Then I build an audience. Then I get subscribers and I get people that will follow me, and then I can start making content that I want to put out, right? Hopefully that makes sense. Tell me in the comments if that makes sense. So I get it, right? So how the easiest way, now there's tools and stuff like that you can pay for, but actually the easiest way to find words or titles is to start typing in here into the search at the top here, and it will start predicting. So if I put "how to get customers" and then put the space, now it will now give me lots of ideas. And what we want to try and find is key phrases or key words that are around about 5 words long. 5 words long makes it easier, right? So if you try to rank for the term marketing, there's going to be tons of people that have made videos on marketing, millions of people that have made that. And so it's going to be very, very competitive. Whereas if you try and rank for something that's 5 words long or more, then it's going to be a bit easier. So this here is a computer game, Grand Theft Auto, but let's just see here. We could scroll down to some of these. Now, we could even go longer, right? So how to get customers on Fiverr. Let's press space. Now it's given me some more options, right? So I could make a video for all of these: how to get customers on Fiverr, how to attract customers on Fiverr, how to get more customers on Fiverr, how to get your first customers on Fiverr, and how to get your first customers on Fiverr. What's the difference there? Look, so, how to get first customers and how to get your first customers. Right, cool. So there's slightly different titles here, but there's 5 videos that we can now make. They're very specific. And so if we made those, let's just click on one of these and do a search. These here now would be fairly easy to rank for. Look, and the search volume is really high. Whereas how to get a customer, there's going to be thousands of videos on there. So this video here has got 165,000 views, 60,000 views, right? Really, really straightforward. So this is what you want to start with, is typing in some key phrases, keywords, just like, for example, "how to lose weight" would be a very competitive one, right? Lots of people will be searching for that, and it'd be very competitive out there. But if we then do a space, let's just type in another word. Should, yeah, cool. Now, these are now more realistic. So if we were in the weight loss niche, how to lose weight, it's going to be almost impossible for us to get page 1. Very competitive, thousands of videos, hundreds of thousands of videos potentially, very established channels there. But maybe we could do some videos on these things, like how to lose weight without exercise. People want to be lazy. Right now we can scroll, so I scrolled down to that one, how to lose weight without exercise. Now that still could be competitive, but now look at these ones. We could make all of these different videos here: how to lose weight without exercise or diet, how to lose weight fast without exercise at home for women, for teenagers. And then you've got some languages as well, right? Really, really good stuff here. And so this is how you can really identify some great keywords. And look, we could go into one of these. Let's go to the boy. See, maybe it goes down even further. Yeah, look, slightly. There's only 2 options there. But now we've got 2 options. We can make 2 very specific videos and really, really drill down into that, right? So the longer the phrase, the better, the easier it's going to be to rank, the more likely you're going to get on that first page, the better your video is going to be because it's going to be more specific as well, so it's going to be very, very useful to someone. So bounce, this is one that I did well with last year, bounce back loan, right? So bounce back loan here, I'm hopefully going to rank for some of these. Yeah, there's me there. So one of my videos, really slow when you're recording. Yeah, so there's a few of my videos up here as well, which is pretty good. So they've got thousands of views on those, which is really nice, right? And so that's quite a niche topic. Bounce back loans, they were just a loan that was around in the pandemic. There wasn't like thousands and thousands of people there, right? So first off is YouTube, right? Is the predictive search here. Now next is YouTube, same company, but it's slightly different, right? So we might put in here how to lose weight. Cool, so let's type in that. Now what I might do is I can do the same predictive thing here. It's going to be very similar if it loads, right? Cool. So yeah, we've got how to lose weight naturally, right? And now we can see that these are really good ones. How to lose weight naturally without exercise, blah, 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 right? You can make all these videos, right? Now, I did a search for how to lose weight, and this is the results here. Now, if you scroll down to the bottom, it's going to give you other searches that people made. And these are keywords and phrases. This is the same for blogging, right? So this could be your blog title or it could be your YouTube video title. And this is really, really important. One of my clients, Jennifer, she made a really, really great piece of content on 50 being the new 40, right? Being 50 is like the new 40. And it was really good. She spent a lot of time on it, but no one is searching for 50 being the new 40, right? That would only work if you were a celebrity or had a very big following already, then you could put that out. So if the Kardashians put that piece of content out, they've got millions of followers, or Ronaldo put that piece of content out, he's got millions of followers already, so you could already get them to go and watch that content. We don't start there. We start with 0 followers or very few, and so that means we must make the content that they're looking for. Look, while you've got this far in the video, and we'll quickly do a recap, do smash the like button, please, guys. Smash that like button. That really helps me with the YouTube algorithm, so that helps me get more views on this video. Comment below, let me know your thoughts if this has been useful, even if it's just to say thanks or any questions you've got. Do comment below, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification as well. So that's really, in a nutshell, the best way to start getting views, by making videos that people are searching for. On social media, as in on Facebook and Instagram, it's different, right? You can make content that's interrupting people and educate them and all of that wonderful stuff, whereby on these platforms, on Google and YouTube, you have to make the content that they're actually looking for first. Then you build your audience. Then when you've got the audience, you make the content that you also want to make, right? But it's got to start this way. This is really, really important. And that's how you're going to get, in minutes, hundreds and hundreds of titles very, very quickly. I'm James Nicholson. Do comment below. Do like the video. Do subscribe. And I'll see you guys very soon. Bye for now.